little bit of disorganization from the Russian power play, but Turkish defense doing a good job killing this off. What a maneuver there, and a great move. Wow. All the way around, gathered his own rebound. Artemy Knyazev should be unassisted. This. All the way around, shot, gets his own rebound, pokes it in. He's the captain and doing the things that captains do. The key, I think, for the Turkish boys, you just don't get discouraged. You know what's coming. They're playing an extremely talented, pretty much a veteran group of boys, and there's another one. The captain gets his second. Unexpected. The early, that'll burn off a few seconds. And here comes the captain again, walking in and just rips it glove side. The hat trick already for Knyazev. Turkey's Fari Çelebi. And another one. There's the captain with number 4 or 5.
2 minutes left in the
They've been close, had a couple of chances. There's another one. Not sure the captain, number Artemy